Hey there, frustrated because your Roku controller just won't connect? Don't worry. Today we're diving into the topic of how to fix a controller that won't connect to Roku. Whether it's due to technical glitches, connectivity issues, or something in between, we're here to help you get your Roku remote back on track. Let's explore step-by-step solutions so you can enjoy uninterrupted. Step 1. Check the battery. First things first, inspect the batteries in your Roku remote. Low battery power is a common reason for connection issues. Remove the batteries and replace them with fresh alkaline ones, ensuring they're inserted correctly according to the polarity. Once replaced, try pressing any button on the remote to check if it connects to your Roku device. Step 2. Repair the remote. If new batteries didn't solve the issue, unpair and repair your Roku remote. Start by removing the batteries from the remote. Next, unplug your Roku device from its power source. Wait for about 10 seconds and plug it back in. When the Roku home screen appears, reinsert the batteries into the remote. Press and hold the pairing button located inside the battery compartment until the pairing light starts to flash. Wait for the connection confirmation on your TV screen. Step 3. Reset your Roku device. Sometimes a simple reset of your Roku device is all it takes. Navigate to the settings menu using the buttons on your device or mobile app. Select System and then System Restart. Confirm your choice and wait for the Roku device to reboot. Now, test the remote again to see if the connection issues have been resolved. Step 4. Interference and obstacles. Assess your environment for any sources of interference that might obstruct the signal between your Roku device and the remote. Ensure there are no large objects, walls, or electronic devices blocking the line of sight. Additionally, try to minimize interference from Wi-Fi routers and other wireless equipment. Moving the Roku device or remote to a different spot within the same room might help establish a stronger connection. Step 5. Try using the Roku mobile app. In situations where the physical remote just won't cooperate, turn to the Roku mobile app as an alternative. Download and install the Roku app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. Open the app, choose your Roku player, and voila! You can control your Roku without the physical remote. Step 6. Update your Roku software. Outdated software can contribute to connection issues. Navigate to Settings on your Roku device, select System, and then System Update. Choose Check Now to see if there are any updates available. If so, proceed with the update, and once completed, check if your remote starts connecting flawlessly. Dealing with technology can sometimes be a headache, but with these steps on how to fix a controller that won't connect to Roku, you're well equipped to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Whether it's the batteries, repairing the remote, resetting the Roku device, addressing interference, using the mobile app, or updating software, you now have a comprehensive toolkit to get things back on track. Remember, patience and persistence are key. With these solutions, you should be back to enjoying your favorite content in no time. Happy streaming.